Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Smart Plant is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've come across this year. It's designed to take the guesswork out of plant care, ensuring your green companions thrive. With its advanced sensors and user-friendly app, Smart Plant monitors everything from soil moisture to light exposure, providing personalized recommendations to keep your plants happy and healthy. Get ready to transform your home into a thriving indoor jungle. Number 5. Click and Grow Herb Garden Kit with Grow Light. This indoor garden kit ensures your plants thrive. It uses energy-efficient LED grow lights, so you can grow herbs and vegetables no matter the weather. It's easy to start. Just drop in the included plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in. Your herb garden starter kit is ready to go. You can choose from over 50 pre-seeded plant pods. There are herbs like cilantro and basil, or even chili peppers. Try the seedless plant pods. This gives the indoor garden kit the power to grow whatever you like. No green thumb is needed. You can transplant your herbs and veggies once grown. Move them to your favorite wall, hanging, or window planter, indoors or outdoors. What we like? This smart garden uses energy-efficient LED grow lights, ensuring your plants thrive. It's incredibly easy to set up, just add water and plant pods. If you are looking for a simple way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, this is a great choice. What people say. The Smart Plant has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any home decor. The app is user-friendly and provides clear instructions for setup and use. The device accurately monitors soil moisture levels and alerts you when watering is needed. Number 4. LetPot LPH-SE 12-Pod Smart Hydroponics Garden. Introducing the LetPot LPH-SE, a smart hydroponic system. This innovative system, controlled by the LetPot app, allows you to easily manage your indoor garden with adjustable LED lighting schedules and timely reminders. Experience rapid plant growth with the 24-watt full-spectrum LED lighting. This system promotes photosynthesis, helping your plants grow up to 40% faster than traditional methods. The app even tracks your plants' growing days. The system offers 2 LED lighting modes for different plant needs. Whether your plants need more blue light for growth or red light for blooming, it has you covered. Everything can be easily set up through the LetPot app. This all-in-one kit includes 12 planting cups, sponges, baskets, and nutrients. The LED lighting rod is adjustable, and the 5.5-liter water tank allows for up to 3 weeks of growth without watering. The LetPot system is built with quality and durability, featuring a stainless steel surface. It comes with lifetime service and continuous remote hardware and app upgrades via Wi-Fi, ensuring you always have the latest features and support. What we like? This hydroponic system features a patented smart system controlled by an app, allowing you to easily manage lighting and watering. The system promotes faster plant growth with its LED lighting. If you want to take your indoor gardening to the next level with advanced features and control, this is the perfect option. What people say. The built-in 24W full-spectrum LED and adjustable rod make growing fresh herbs and greens indoors both fun and effortless. The app is very useful. The design is sleek and clean. It arrives with everything you need to get started except for seeds. The setup is simple and the app is easy to connect. It's light strong and adjustable in many ways directions, allowing this system to also supply light to nearby plants as well. Since setting mine up 2 weeks ago, my tomato seedlings have grown quickly and my propagations are thriving too. Their roots are thick and vigorous. The LetPot app has been great as far as keeping track of the plant's time and progress. There's a place to add something if not already in the LetPot library, and if you move a basket, it's easy to swap and adjust on the app. You're able to control while away, but honestly, I haven't had to do anything since starting. Water levels hold and the circulation is almost inaudible. This is the best purchase I've made in a while. Happy growing. Number 3. Avergo DIY Bonsai Tree Starter Kit. This kit from Avergo is perfect for anyone wanting to try their hand at bonsai. It includes everything you need to get started growing your own mini trees. The kit contains all the essentials. It's designed to make the process easy and enjoyable, even if you've never grown a bonsai before. You'll receive seeds for 5 different types of bonsai trees, including some of Avergo's most popular varieties. This gives you a great variety to work with. Looking for a unique gift? This bonsai kit is ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. It's a fun and rewarding activity for anyone who loves plants. Avergo understands that growing bonsai can be tricky, so they've included extra seeds. This increases your chances of success and makes the whole experience more enjoyable. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start growing your own bonsai trees. It includes seeds for various Japanese bonsai trees. If you are looking for a unique and engaging gift for a plant lover or a fun family activity, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to start: seeds for 5 bonsai varieties, biodegradable pots, soil pellets, tools, wooden box, and markers. The instructions were easy to follow, and the seeds started sprouting just as expected. The kit is super complete. It comes with all the tools, seeds, and everything you need to start growing these beautiful little trees. Number 2. Smily Face Planter Pot, Cute Resin Flower Pot. This unique planter can be used both indoors and outdoors. It won't crack or fade, and it's perfect for adding life to your home or garden. This smiling face planter is a great gift for kids. They can decorate their rooms with it, and it's also a nice gift for teachers and mothers. The drainage hole design solves a common problem for plant lovers. The small holes at the bottom ensure the drainage system won't be blocked. Plant your favorite plants in this rocking chair head flower pot. It will look like a cute child, bringing a touch of nature to your space. This face planter pot is suitable for succulents, snake plants, and more. It's a versatile choice for both indoor and outdoor decoration. What we like. This planter features a unique rocking chair head design that adds a touch of personality to your space. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you like adding a touch of whimsy to your home or garden, this planter is a great choice. What people say. The smart plant is easy to set up. The app is user-friendly and provides clear instructions. The device accurately monitors soil moisture levels. Number 1. HEKIWAY Solar Drip Irrigation System for 15 pots. This HEKIWAY system is designed for year-round use, indoors and out. During winter, charge it via Type-C for indoor plants. In warmer months, the solar panel provides energy-efficient watering all day. With 25 timer modes, you can customize watering from 3 to 20 minutes, every 12 to 96 hours. Set it once, and it runs automatically. It's more water efficient than traditional systems. Adjust the watering based on your plant's needs. Small plants need less, while larger plants need more. Adjust the frequency based on the temperature and humidity. The kit includes 50 feet of tubing, 15 stakes, and more, allowing you to customize your layout. It has a high flow rate, perfect for flowers and vegetables. The system alerts you if there's a problem, like a blocked pump or an empty water container. It ensures easy plant watering with minimal effort. What we like. This solar-powered system is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering all-season smart irrigation. It features customizable timer settings for efficient watering. If you are looking for a convenient and energy-efficient way to water your plants, this is a great option. What people say. The smart plant is easy to set up. The app is user-friendly and provides clear instructions. It accurately monitors soil moisture levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.